Yeah, just keep looking. Getting up one, I'm sure. It was, honestly, it was quite scary, actually.
Oh my god, did you get that?
Yeah.
Jeez.